Okay, so hello Ma'am Lilac. Kamusta po? Hello September tayo. First workout natin, squats tayo. We're gonna be having 4 sets. First set, 20 repetitions tayo ng bodyweight squats. And then second set, dagdag tayo ng 10 pounds na dumbbell. Goblet squat na tayo. Tapos third, 15. Then fourth set natin, 20 pounds na dumbbell. So set natin, paa. So, hip width apart. From your hip width apart pala. Heel and then toe out. Okay. Tapos, toes slightly pointed out. Wider ng konti sa shoulder yung paa natin. Okay. So, body weight. Hands cross your shoulders. Inhale down. Exhale up. Toes tracing out. And then rise. Okay. So, kunyari, tapos na yung 20 repetitions ng first set natin. Kuha tayo ng dumbbell. Okay. Dumbbell. Okay. Hawakan natin sa taas. Kabilang dulo. And then, paa, elbows in, malapit sa katawan. Alright, so, inhale down, exhale up. Bend, 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 check. Imagine, umupo ka, yung likod, diretso, alright? Close yung dumbbell sa chest, and then, tayo. So, inhale down, quick up.